A useful feature of the DivX 11 Pro upgrade is the ability to take a screenshot of the video you're watching. To do that, go ahead and drag and drop the video you'd like to take a screenshot of. Playback will begin. I like to hit the pause button and then use the scrubber to find the perfect image. Let's do this one right here. In the lower right-hand corner is a three-dot menu, and under that menu you can click Screen Capture, or you can hit the pin button to add the Screen Capture button to the player bar. Now go ahead and click the button, and a screenshot has been saved. I'll go ahead and open the folder and double click on our screenshot, and there you go. This has been a quick look at how to take a screenshot in the DivX 11 Pro upgrade. Enjoy.